Okay, my plan is to add the coil bearings to here. I'm also going to add thin metal wire, steel wire, to move around, increase the electron collision to create neutrons, more energy, kinetic energy. I left space so I can add permanent magnets here. This is my back brace. As far as what I use for a coolant, now I'm going to convert it into a linear solenoid magnetic suspension motor, rotary and motor. This is also going to cool the side. I'm going to have permanent magnets alongside here as far as nickel neodymium. And what I'm also going to apply is a linear coil from each to create a linear motion. So it's going to attach to the coil to synchronize the coil to move upward as a linear solenoid motor. So like I said, I'm going to add capacitors here on top of the surfaces. And that's going to add voltage to each of the coil that is induced currents and going to send the voltage right back out of the capacitors. So it's going to be 4 capacitors in addition to that. And the capacitors that are also going to be added. I'm also add single phase rectified diodes. And I'm going to start a new mesh gate for the back part of the back brace. And this will reduce the the weight of mass by using. When I do the coils, I'm also going to add iron wire to the coils. When I do a linear motor all the way up, I'm also going to lay it onto a sheet of aluminum. The sheet of aluminum should be repulsive, so this should add to the currency. I'm also add a DC to phase the aluminum, and that will lift it in the air. So, therefore, when there's a problem, the problem was solved when using rotaries to create thrust. So I'm going to use the rotaries not only to create thrust, but also to create kinetic energy to induce currents, to create a charge for the linear solenoid back brace. Once I do the linear, I'm also going to do the bearings of the magnetic suspension coils, which is going to go around here, which is going to make like this, like a deep dish, so it's going to look like a drum. I'm going to make it a little bit deeper so I can make the magnetic suspension coils around here, which will be used to push this backward.